Jai Hind everyone. In this video, we are going to see Animesh Pradhan sir ki topper copy. And in 2023, he got 133 marks in the essay paper. And overall, he got All India rank. AIR 2 इनकी आई थी. तो let us see his essay की booklet, जो कि इन्होंने अपने मेंस के बहुत पास में लिखी थी. ये विजन IAS के अभ्यास की टॉपर कॉपी है. चलिए देखते हैं क्या लिखा है. यहाँ पे लिखा है अ माइंड ऑल लॉजिक इज़ लाइक अ नाइफ ऑल ब्लेड. A mind all logic is like a knife all blade. It makes the hand bleed that uses it. मुझे इससे समझ में ये आया कि अगर एक माइंड है जिसमें बस लॉजिक चलता है, राइट, और मतलब जिसमें बस लॉजिक चलता है और एक यूनिडायमेंशनल अप्रोच से वो चलता है, वो इट इज़ लाइक नाइफ ऑल ब्लेड. कि वो जो नाइफ है या जो ब्लेड है वो सोच नहीं रहा है कि किस तरफ चल रहा है. वो दूसरों को भी काटेगा और खुद को भी हार्म करेगा. So it is like if you don't have compassion, if you are not driven by, let's say, altruism, तो आप कितने भी केपेबल हो जाओ, आप हमेशा अपना जो लॉजिक है सेल्फिश मोटिव्स के लिए लगाओगे, राइट. चलिए देखते हैं सर ने क्या लिखा है. ऑन वन फाइन येट मंडेन मॉर्निंग, while reading through the newspaper, Alfred Nobel stumbled upon his own obituary. The obituary, although was a blunder, disturbed Nobel to his core. ठीक है. द टाइटल रेड द प्रिंस ऑफ डेथ इज नो मोर. द डायनामाइट किंग रिमोर्स्ड एंड रिपेंटेड फॉर ऑल his logical achievements that had potential for catastrophe. This persuaded Nobel to embark on a journey to become the Prince of Peace. फिर उसके बाद लिखा है थ्रू हिज नोबल प्राइज फाउंडेशन दैट रिस्पेक्ट्स लॉजिक एंड रैशनैलिटी दैट डज नॉट ब्लीड हैंड्स बट एम्पावर्स देम टू बिल्ड अ बेटर फ्यूचर. तो यहाँ पे ये कह रहे हैं कि उसने नोबल बहुत प्राउड फील करता था कि उसने डायनामाइट बनाया जिससे कि इतनी ज़्यादा इकोनॉमिक एडवांसमेंट हो रही है, और वही डायनामाइट फिर वॉर में भी इस्तेमाल हो रहे थे. तो वो उसको लगता था कि वो एकदम बढ़िया काम कर रहा है, कि उसकी साइंटिफिक अचीवमेंट्स बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रही हैं. लेकिन उसने ये नहीं देखा कि उससे उससे जो सोशल कैटास्ट्रॉफ हो रहा है उसका जिम्मेदार भी तो वही ठहराया जाएगा. तो जब उसे ये चीज़ समझ में आई, तो उसने ये कहा कि मैं ऐसी नोबल प्राइज़ फाउंडेशन बनाऊंगा जो कि उन लोगों को अवार्ड करेगी जो लोग लॉजिक और रैशनैलिटी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ में जो लोगों के हैंड्स को ब्लीड नहीं करती जबकि उनको एम्पावर करती है. ठीक है. नोबल इज द एपिटोम ऑफ ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन दैट हैज़ डिवॉल्व ऑन द फाउंडेशन ऑफ लॉजिक, रैशनैलिटी, साइंटिफिक टेम्पर एंड प्रोफाउंड इंटेलेक्ट. The rise of Mauryan Empire at the heartland of Patliputra, or dominance of modern day USA, is the outcome of self-expression of logical power. ओके. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि पावर को एक्वायर करना एक लॉजिकल चीज़ होती है. मतलब हम हमेशा डोमिनेंस को हथियाना चाहते हैं, चाहे वो मौर्यन एम्पायर में हो या फिर वो यूएसए का हो, है ना. दिस इज़ अ लॉजिकल पाथ विच वी टेक. लेकिन अ माइंड ऑफ लॉजिक सिंबलाइजेज रैशनैलिटी, नॉलेज, साइंटिफिक एक्सपर्टीज, imbibing all qualities that fueled both Akbar and Aurangzeb, Mandela and Mugabe, Obama and Osama. But what are the logics of Akbar, Mandela, Obama cherished but not the latter? तो यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि अकबर भी चाहता था कि उसकी प्रजा बढ़े, मंडेला भी चाहता था कि उसके लोगों को जो है वो फ्रीडम मिले, और ओबामा भी चाहता है कि क्या कहते हैं कि मतलब ओबामा भी अपने लोगों के लिए कुछ करना चाहता था. वैसे ही ओसामा भी करना चाहता था, मुगाबे भी करना चाहता था और औरंगजेब भी करना चाहता था. लेकिन ये इनके बीच में और जो लेटर है उनके बीच में कुछ तो डिफरेंस होगा. ठीक है. तो एरिस्टोटल्स आइडियाज आर प्रेजेंटेड इन द नेकोमेकियन एथिक्स इलस्ट्रेट दैट ह्यूमन बिहेवियर इज गाइडेड बाय ईथोस, पैथोस एंड लोगोस. ठीक है. ethics, attitude and logic make and break a man. बढ़िया है. आपके क्या एथिकल स्टैंड्स हैं, आपका क्या एटीट्यूड है और आपकी क्या लॉजिकल डेप्थ है. इट मेक्स एंड ब्रेक्स अ मैन. अलाइनिंग विद हिज थॉट. अलाइनिंग विद दिस थॉट, स्वामी विवेकानंद जी सेज, one needs the right attitude to realize their true potential, to realize the true potential of his or her aptitude. ठीक है. The inherent aptitude of humans have made us put a vehicle on the moon, but also plastic in the deep oceans. All logic-based mind probably won't comprehend the repercussion of polluting the ocean and beyond until he bleeds during the एंथ्रोपोसीन मास एक्सटिंक्शन। तो यहाँ पे लिखा है लोगोस विदाउट इथोस वे टू कैटास्ट्रॉफ। Adam Smith in Wealth of Nation narrates that it is not the benevolence of butcher, baker, or brewer that makes us expect our dinner, but the self-interest that fuel our economy. Such self-interests were given ample freedom to grow in a laissez-faire economy with the rise of capitalist mode of production. ठीक है, but the World Inequality Report suggests about 75% of India's wealth is concentrated in top 10 percentage of the populace, whereas the bottom half just 2% has just 2 percentage of resources. The mind all logic fails to address the issue of poverty, inequality and marginalization, but the one with ethics shall create a balance among people, planet and profit realized in Keynesian economics. Germany is a case study for generations to realize the inadequacy of mind with all logic, similar to what was discussed with laissez-faire and Keynesian economics. The rise of Germany under Bismarck, फिर उसके बाद Kaiser and then Hitler was propelled by logical desire, scientific prowess and military supremacy. But the climax of such logic did not bore fruits acceptable to humankind. The same country the same country has replaced totalitarianism with ethical democracy after crushing the Berlin Wall, making it one of the powerful countries in the contemporary geopolitics. Not just in political milieu, as illustrated in the case of Germany, but a mind or logic has made the social animal more antisocial and less humane. The Purushukta hymn of Rigveda propounds a peculiar logic justifying Varna and caste system. It narrates the origin of four castes from various organs, affirming the Brahminical supremacy and marginalization of Shudras. While caste has reformed and redesigned into various shapes in modern democratic India, the logic of such discriminatory ideology makes India bleed even during Amritkal. Similar to caste system, similar to caste system, such closed social systems was the norm for women for ages. Various theories and propositions have reaffirmed gender stereotypes that believe in functional model of gender discrimination कि gender discrimination जो है वो functional है. While the country while the country and even the world celebrates logical minds and scientific powers, two kooky women were victims of ethnic atrocities and gang rape in the heartland of Manipur violence. What shall the civilization do with such a mind that seems all logical but marred with regressive ideas? To answer the following, Ambedkar, in his Grammar of Anarchy, puts forward another question. He, per- he persistently he pertinently asks, can a countryman put forward the collective interest before self-interest and that of the creed? To answer this, idea of famous historian Yuval Noah Harari can be borrowed. Yuval Harari in Sapien notes that human civilization thrives because Homo sapiens have the unique ability to put forth their tribe interests over their own. Hence, logic and knowledge for self interest shall lead to anarchy and catastrophe. But one that pursues idea for collective well being shall fulfill the dream of Ambedkar. Having dealt with series of questions, one would realize how hungry human mind has become. Interestingly, it took millions of years for Homo sapiens to walk straight, but few decades to bend the environment at their own will. Crediting the logical mind for tremendous exploration and inventions and discoveries across space, water, and land. One cannot miss out the vagaries of pollution, biodiversity loss, and climate change such logical minds have created. It is after years of destruction it hits upon the same mind to use its logic for sustainable development, a concept alien to mankind few decades back. The success of Montreal Protocol and India's adherence to Panchamrit is the testament to use of logical knowledge based on mind for a brighter, healthier environment. अगला टॉपिक है मतलब सब टॉपिक द डायनेमिज्म ऑफ लोगोस एंड लॉजिक. टू पुट बैंडेजेस ऑन द ब्लीडिंग हैंड्स। ठीक है, तो अब ये कह रहे हैं कि जो हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम जो हमने अपने हाथ कटवा लिए अब उनके ऊपर हम बैंडेजेस लगाएंगे, राइट। चलिए, द राइज ऑफ एम्पायर्स इन द वेरियस फॉर्म्स, मोनार्की, एनार्की, ओलिगार्की एंड डेमोक्रेसी is a tale of fascination. But inherent to such fascination lies the ability to mold human logic, brain, and rationality in the realm of socio-political revolution. Monarchy across the world has been transformed to democracy, or at least been more representative and welfare oriented. Logic of political sovereignty has metaphorized from territorial expansion to mutual coexistence. Although interstate border disputes are seen in northeast insurgencies or the havoc created by Russia-Ukraine crisis have risen, but the global consensus for peace has been established. Not just in the case of political supremacy, but the way such authorities practiced, the logic of the same has seen metamorphosis. Michael Foucault, a famous political scientist, noted that the modern liberal democracies have changed their focus from repressive law to regressive law. The transformation from guillotine to empathetic jurisdiction, as illustrated in Bachan Singh versus State of Punjab regarding the death penalty, marks a transition from logical mind to a ethical based logical mind. ठीक है, तो ये सर कह रहे हैं कि माइंड और लॉजिक नहीं होना चाहिए, माइंड होना चाहिए ethical and logical. Similar to ideas of capital punishment, the resourceful mind has tried to make the mind more inclusive. Once faced with criminal prosecution, today homosexuality is celebrated, although slowly but steadily. Regressive logic and knowledge about women and gender has seen a decline. In, in Sucheta Srivastav's case for bodily integrity, State of Haryana versus Rajesh against the two-finger test and the Nalsa versus Union of India for transgender right, Indian judiciary has used logical prowess and mastered rationality for social transformation. ठीक है, utilizing the utilizing the all logic mind contemporary relevance. ठीक है, utilizing the all logic mind. Karl Popper, a famous sociologist, note Karl Popper, a famous sociologist, note that open society is not about creating utopia or workers' paradise or city of God, but it is about using the powers to solve issues while restoring our rights and responsibilities. The all logic mind needs to be the forerunner of such openness and to imbibe diversity in views and ideologies. The lack of the same has created hostile outcomes in the form of religious fundamentalism, ethnic violence, and extreme polarization. Secondly, as Albert Camus noted, a mind without ethics is a wild beast left loose in the world. The knowledge shall be utilized to create an ethical, egalitarian world. The resourceful mind shall follow the ideals of Panchsheel and not the greed of Aurangzeb. Thirdly, all the logic mind must cater to the collective goal of society, as Vishwaguru Ravindranath Tagore notes that it is not Alexander who conquered the world, but Buddha did. Selflessness as a virtue has to be an inherent attribute to realize the true potential of human logical mind. The false obituary of Alfred Nobel made him realize what his logical prowess was capable to do, something the world must realize to restore ethical order in the civilization. ओके, तो इसमें से मैंने काफ़ी सारे नोट्स भी बनाए हैं, जो वीडियो है मेरे यूपीएससी नोट्स का। तो सर के ऐसे में से मैंने नोट्स तो काफ़ी बनाए, बट आई थिंक कि मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट द वे आई वुड राइट माई ऐसे। आई वुड राइट ऐसे एज इफ़ कि कोई फिफ्थ सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड की क्लास का बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, लेकिन सर के जो कनेक्शंस हैं, है ना, इट वो मे बी मतलब आई फाइंड माई सेल्फ अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वो कनेक्शंस। मे बी आई डोंट हैव उतने हाई लेवल की इंग्लिश की अंडरस्टैंडिंग और समथिंग, बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि ना ऐसे होता है ना कि पढ़ने के बाद लगा कि I would say that I did not get the knack of the thing. है ना। मुझे बस एक ही चीज़ इसमें से आई कुड टेक अवे, दैट वाज कि माइंड और लॉजिक नहीं होना चाहिए, माइंड शुड हैव लॉजिक प्लस एथिक्स। बस मुझे ये समझ में आया। चलिए आगे चलते हैं। यहाँ पे लिखा है कीप योर फेस टू द सनशाइन एंड यू कैन नॉट सी द शेडो। ओके, तो ये कह रहे हैं कि हमेशा चढ़ते की तरफ देखो ताकि आपको नेगेटिव्स ना दिखें। बात तो सही है, मतलब परसिवरेंस की एक स्टोरी है, तो ये इसका वो हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव डायमेंशन। जो इसकी एंटीथीसिस होगी वो ये होगी कि समटाइम्स यू हैव टू लुक एट शेडोज, कि भाई अगर मैं शेडो को नहीं देखूंगा तो मुझे मेरे वो कैसे पता चलेंगे, नेगेटिव्स नहीं पता चलेंगे तो उनको मैं इम्प्रूव कैसे करूँगा, राइट। तो वैसे करके हम लिख सकते हैं। चलिए, है ना, तो इसमें फिर वो गांधी जी का लिख सकते हैं। लिव, मतलब क्या कहते हैं, लिव एज इफ़ यू वर टू डाई टुमारो, लर्न एज इफ़ यू वुड लिव फॉर एवर। तो ऐसे करके ये ट्विन नेचर में हम अपनी जर्नी को दिखा सकते हैं कि जियो ऐसे जैसे कल मर जाओगे, पढ़ो ऐसे जैसे कि यू विल लिव फॉर एवर। समथिंग लाइक दैट वी कैन राइट, आई वुड हैव रिटन। चलिए देखते हैं सर ने कैसे लिखा है। तो कीप योर फेस टू द सनशाइन एंड यू कैन नॉट सी अ शैडो। In the tapestry of human history, there are few stories as poignant and stirring as of the two brothers, और Orville and Wilbur, ये राइट ब्रदर्स जो थे, the Wright brothers represent the indomitable spirit of perseverance and profound dedication to achieve their goal. Don't waste all the money and leave the flying to the birds. The entire world, including their own father, laughed and mocked such endeavors, but Orville and Wilbur would reply, we have a dream to fulfill and we will make it. The tale of such grit and glory embodies one's dedication to relentlessly work to achieve the goal, keeping one's face to the sunshine and not worry for the shadow. Stories as inspiring as Wright brothers are the outcome of Swami Vivekananda's ideas, where he illustrates arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is achieved. Keep your face to the sunshine is the epitome of being focused to achieve the goal in spite of multitude of problems, heat, warmth, and relentlessly perseverance to succeed. Shadow and sunshine are the two sides of the same coin, similar to failure and success. Our existence lies on the bedrock of such twin tales of glory and grief, the glory emanating from keeping our face to the sunshine, and grief from our obsession of being stuck with the shadow. ठीक है. What it takes to face the sunshine and evade the shadow? What does it take? After being released from the prison after decades, when Nelson Mandela was asked what kept him going, he quoted few lines from the poem Invictus that iterates, I am the master of my faith, I am the captain of my soul. Mandela's indomitable spirit signifies the importance of self confidence and courage that later was illustrated in his attempt to create an egalitarian South Africa through his Truth and Reconciliation Commission in 1990s. बढ़िया, ये वाला इससे समझ में आ रहा है. Secondly, desires drive action as exemplified through annals of history in various socio-political contexts. The revolutionaries during Indian freedom struggle embodied the true spirit of patriotism with a desire to free Bharat Mata from the shackles of colonial domination. Had Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil cared about the shadows and of repercussions of their spirit of keeping their face to the sunshine, India would have continued to bleed and suffer. Courage and desires act as a fuel in the journey towards achieving the goal. The third most important attribute of the third most important attribute of perseverance, keep the boat of the morale sailing higher. The relentless efforts of Lee Kuan in building high-tech savvy egalitarian Singapore is an Oscar-eligible movie of rags to riches. The individual effort in acing an examination or a country like India's effort in sustaining unity amidst diversity is an outcome of profound perseverance. In the words of Winston Churchill, no success is final, no failure is fatal. It is the courage to continue that matters. The fourth most inevitable ethos to succeed lies in handling failures and fatalities. While keeping your face towards the sunshine, India could not have been more proud when a teenager, जिनका नाम है अविनी लेखरा, became the first Indian woman to achieve a gold medal in Paralympics 2020 in Tokyo. Having lost her legs to a hazardous car accident on her way to a dance performance, Lekhara's spirit did not dwindle even after such tragedy. Keeping the shadow away while facing the sunshine made India proud of Avni's glory. Courage, desire, perseverance. To keep facing the sun gets embodied in few lines of Paulo Coelho, as he writes in his book The Alchemist. Once you determine and work hard to achieve the goal, the entire universe conspires to make you realize the achievement. To comprehend the nuances of importance of keeping your face towards the sunshine and how such relentless efforts keep shadow at bay, one must contextualize in various social, economic, political, and philosophical milieu across the width, breadth, and width of time. Keeping the face towards sunshine, a contemporary reality check. क्या वो बता रहे हैं कि आज के टाइम पे the relentless efforts at Swat Valley in Pakistan, at the heartlands of India, were acknowledged at global platform where the world bowed down to the spirit of Malala Yousafzai and Kailash Satyarthi. ठीक है. Yousafzai and Satyarthi did not represent two nations, infamous for being in political conflict with each other, but represented two ideals of human spirit, one for the woman empowerment and the other for child care and rehabilitation. Such efforts to head towards sunshine were not dampened by the guns of Taliban or muscle power of Indian goons. The shadow was safely kept at bay by grit to achieve egalitarian goal. Similar is the story of Niamgiri Hills of Odisha, where tribals, especially women, collectively stood for their right and resources. The dedication to stand against the mighty Poxo, Posco, a steel giant, steel giant, the crony capitalism, steel giant and crony capitalism is a business school case study of success and glory. Traversing all Traversing all the way from eastern part of the country, let us delve into the stony story of Thumba. In November 1963, the humble beginning of ISRO amidst the coconut grove of Thumba, a small coastal town of Kerala, must have inspired for a larger milestone as once where India patted its back on the success of Chandrayaan 3 in spite of financial bottlenecks, administrative delays, infrastructure shortcoming. ISRO's spirits and perseverance realizes the true ideas of keeping our head high towards the sunshine. The shadow shall evade slowly but surely. Highlighting the success of Chandrayaan 3, Devdutt Patnaik, famous historian, notes that Soma or Chandra symbolizes the fact that it waxes after being warned, resurrects after being crippled down, and rises after being collapsed. ठीक है. Not just the moon, but the temples, culture, democracy, and civil society have risen after decay and death. Shadows are temporary, but the grit to keep your face towards the sunshine makes one extraordinary and triumphant. Amidst sunshine, don't forget the inevitability of shadow. Oppenheimer, the brain behind the nuclear bomb, was a scientific ideal to be cherished by intellectual community. But multiple generations of Nagasaki and Hiroshima shall deny such claims. Probably why Christopher Nolan's recent blockbuster biopic on Oppenheimer did not release in Japan. From Hitler to Martin Luther, from Phulan Devi to Annie Besant, from Nirav Modi to Ratan Tata, from right or wrong reasons, such personalities have gathered attention of history. But one must be cautious about the shadows in the form of one's cause and consequences of action to re-engineer his or her ideas of goals. Without the shadow of fear, Without the shadow of fear, the nuclear and space race of political powers can lead to the end of civilization. The shadow of failure inspired Elon Musk to continue to persevere and build SpaceX and achieve the extraordinary. History is resplendent with such anecdotes where humans have been taught to be cognizant about their action during their pursuit of success and glory. One needs to understand that while both Mugabe and Mandela strived for nation's glory, the former chose the path of violence and racial attack on the whites, but the latter cherished from for his ideas of forgiveness and non-violence. Human civilization is attacked with pertinent question. What shall we keep our face towards? What shall we keep our face towards sunshine for? Is it to achieve scientific prowess, master ideals of innovation, triumph political sovereignty, achieve economic growth? The answer to such conundrum is to achieve everything mentioned, as Wright brothers did through technological prowess. The dichotomous answer is also valid that advocates that the goal is to achieve none, as exemplified in the efforts of Wright brothers to gift humanity with an invention that makes the world a better place for travelers, businesses, farmers, and patients. The essence remains the same. The ideals of keep going with committed adherence to achieve the goal is inevitable. The shadows shall evade away, but they must remind one the purpose behind keeping the face towards the sunshine. ओके, तो सर के ये जो नोट्स थे है ना, इनमें से तो मैंने जितने भी कोट्स थे या फिर जितनी भी स्टोरीज थी उनको तो सेपरेटली मैंने लिखा है, राइट। इनको मैंने सेपरेटली लिख लिया है, राइट। तो इनकी जो आंसर्स हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा इनरिच्ड होते हैं। एंड आई थिंक चाहे इनके जीएस के बुकलेट्स हो या एसए के बुकलेट्स हो, one thing that he does very good is that he gives a lot of references, a lot of examples, right?